Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Rasya. So let us wait for a few minutes more because still we have the time to start the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, turn on your video now. Last year, still we are waiting for your video to turn on.
Ma'am, who made rotation? Sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. What, Rishit?
Ma'am, how many of them made roti?
I'm still hungry. I'm still waiting for the rotis. No one. So knowingly, I think you all did that. You did not wanted me to eat something, right? And I think that is the reason I'm looking little thin today. Right? Okay. So yesterday we have revised the chapter separation of substances. Now today, as I told you yesterday, we'll be going with the subjective questions. So I think open the Wise app. In the Wise app under the chapter wise notes. Open the Wise app. In the Wise app resources. Under the resources, chapter wise notes. In that, chap separation of substances foundation will be there. Wise app, resources, chapter wise notes, and then you will be finding out the PDF of separation of substances foundation. Have you got it?
Yes.
Okay, Rishit. You need to open. I'll just let me tell you which questions you all need to do. You need to open the short answer type questions. So there you have the short answer type question. Lasse, have you got it?
The first question is explain the process of sedimentation and decantation.
Let me open because I did not open that in the file. Let me open in the file because I have the book. So let me open in the file. Very short
Ma'am?
answer questions. Yeah, Lasya.
Ma'am, I can't open it, ma'am.
Have you opened the Wise app?
Mama, I can open, but I can't keep the notes. Where is it, ma'am? Can you say?
In the Wise app, when you open it, on the screen, you will be finding the option of resources. Somewhere option of resources will be there on the screen.
Okay. 1 minute, ma'am.
And at the meantime, others short answer type questions, you can start doing it. Okay. Question number 1, explain the process of sedimentation and decantation. From there, you need to start doing it. Okay.
Say your answers.
You need to write. So starting 5 questions, answers you need to write. You need to send me the pictures of it so that then and there I can correct your answers. Okay. And then go with question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Send me the answer. Then I will be checking it. So then and there the correction will be done in the class itself.
I'm saying, ma'am, like foundation questions like MCQs, not the question answer.
When you scroll it down, you will be able to find out the short answer type questions.
Ma'am, can you give me some time? I'll get the mobile.
Okay. Lasa, have you got it?
Ma'am, I'm in resource now.
Yeah. So in the resources, now you will be able, you have to open the chapter wise notes. Are you able to see chapter wise notes there?
Yes, ma'am.
So there you will be finding out the first option of separation of substances foundation.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So scroll it down. When you scroll that file down, you will be able to see the short answer type question.
Down, ma'am.
Yeah. In the same file, first the questions will be there. Level 1 question will be there. Then the next pages and all you will have level 2. And then when you come down to the pages, you will be able to find the short answer type questions.
Not very short, just short.
No. Yes, very short will be the homework for today. Okay. So you need to go with the short answer type question.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Advika, turn on your video.
Mom, once can you wait for a minute?
Okay, fine. Lasya, you also need to turn on the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, whole very short answers, whole 15 questions are homework.
Yes, because they are only like one word answers. What are we doing now? We need to start with the short answer type question. Anoop, just open the resources. There in the resources, you will be finding the option of chapter wise notes. Open that chapter wise notes. You will be able to see the PDF of separation of substances foundation. Click on that. And in that file, just come to the short answer type questions. So we did not do the level 1 and level 2 questions. Because this Sunday we have the subjective wise question, right? That is the reason we are doing with subjective question rather than the objective questions. So objective question next week we will be doing it. We will be starting with the subjective first of all.
Very short type answer, sir.
Very short answer type questions will be the homework for today. You need to start with the short answer type question.
Ma'am, 1 to 5.
Yeah, 1 to 5, do it and send me the answers. And then
Ma'am,
go
which
with the
chapter?
question number 6 to 10. Yeah, Advika?
Which chapter?
Separation of substances foundation. Okay. So Advika, yesterday we have revised the whole chapter. And now today we are starting with the subjective part of it. And you all need to turn on the video, children. Anoop, turn on your video.
Ma'am, and which staff?
Chapter wise notes in the resources. Click on that under resources. You will be finding the chapter wise notes. Click on that. And there you will be able to see the file separation of substances foundation. Anoop, turn on your video. Last year, you need to turn on your video.
Ma'am, can you tell me, is my video on?
What, Anoop?
Ma'am, now can you tell me, is my video on?
Yeah, it is on now.
Sorry.
Yeah, last year you were saying something?
Ma'am, I was also video on only now, ma'am.
Yeah, now it is on. Now it is on, last year.
When I'm going to WhatsApp, it's not working, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
keep joining from phone or tab, it will turn off directly.
Okay, okay. All right, children.
In a Zoom meeting, ma'am is showing a Chervik warrior.
Yes. Because he has changed his name, actually, I guess.
Ma'am, actually, that's my name.
Okay, later on, just change your name, okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yeah, Lasya?
ma'am,
you
actually,
have to write the question with
No,
answer
no.
also.
No, only answers. Only answers.
ma'am, now it's okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is okay now, no? So everybody need to complete question number 1 to 5. Click the photograph of that. Send me the answers so that I can check now itself. And then I'll be telling your mistakes, whatever you have done. After that, go ahead with the question number 6 to 10. Same process. And increase your speed, children. At the same time, you need to write neatly also. So both the things you have to focus on. Writing should be neat.
Actually, my mother is not in home.
Okay, no issues in that case, Adrit. What you can do, you can just complete all the answers of short answer type and then you can send me later for the
Okay.
correction. Advika, you need to turn on your video. Yeah, now I can see you.
Ma'am, actually, when I'm writing it, then
Yeah.
I don't know why it's getting off. So
Okay.
I'm typing it.
Okay, Advika. Rishit, what happened? What you are thinking now?
Explain the process of sedimentation.
Lase, you need to mute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. Good evening, Radesh. Okay, turn on your video, Radesh. Good. So, Radesh, yesterday we are done with the chapter separation of substances. We have revised the chapter. Now, today we are doing the subjective questions. So, open the file under the resources and you need to do the short answer type questions there. Okay, you should do it and send me the answers right away. Okay, Radesh?
I didn't get third question. What is the principle of separation?
Question number?
Three.
Let me open.
What is the principle?
What is the principle of separation of a mixture? So, on what basis do you separate the mixture?
Size.
Ah, okay, Rishit, okay. Let him try.
Mom, tell him to continue, mom. He doesn't have any plan.
You are not audible to me properly.
Mom, tell him to continue, mom. I don't have any
No,
plan.
no, no, no. He will not. He will not. He has. He should not actually.
Cheating.
Hmm.
Ma'am, how many principles we should write, ma'am, for third one?
Teacher,
You
where is it,
can
teacher?
write 2. Ridesh,
Teacher.
open the resources. Under the resources option, you will have the chapter wise notes. And when you click on chapter wise notes, there you will be able to see the separation of substances
Okay, okay.
foundation. Okay. In
Okay.
that file, somewhere down, you will be able to find the short answer type question.
Yep.
I understand
Which one? You are not audible to me today, Anup.
okay. I understand
Fifth question.
yes, ma'am. This also
You are not properly audible, but anyhow, I'll explain you. I'll tell you what is given in fifth.
ma'am, I didn't get fourth and fifth.
Fourth and fifth.
Teacher, till which question we have to do?
Short answer type question.
Till which question?
Till 5.
35.
5. Short answer type question till question number 1 to
Okay.
5. Anup, question number 4, you want to know?
4 also 5.
4 with 5 also, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the question number 4, you need to tell any 3 methods by which you can separate the solid and solid mixture. Okay. Like if I talk about the pulses, in the pulses we have the stone. So both the things are what? They are the kind of the solid. So like this, you have to tell the 3 methods through which you can segregate them. Question number 5, what do you mean by sieving? And then you have to give example by using the sanded pebbles.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, here after the fourth question, the questions are in the next page. So, are the questions right side one or left side?
Question number 5 is given what is meant by sieving, right?
Ma'am, and in the beside side also, ma'am. In which of in the following figure?
No. That is the long answer questions actually. The continuation of the long answer, that is. So you need to start with this side, that what is meant by sieving, and explain by giving
Okay.
the example of the sand and pebble.
Yes.
Hurry up, children, hurry up. Answers are not so large or so big. They are small only. So hurry up. For one question, you should not take more than 1 minute. Adrit, which question number?
Ma'am, 4th.
Okay, good. Rishit, which question number you are doing?
Ma'am, fifth one.
Good. Anup, which question number you are doing?
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually,
Yeah, Advika?
Ma'am,
I
I did
didn't
not
get
understand
fourth
meaning
ones
of
and
fourth
I left.
question.
Let me see. Question number 4. In the question number 4, they are saying mention any 3 methods of separating solid mixture. So like I'll give you example. You have the pulses, okay? So in the pulses, what do? You will be selecting the stone out of it, right? By
Yeah.
what ways? By how many ways you can segregate them?
Okay.
So those 3 ways you need to write. So like this, any example you can take, and 3 methods you can write to separate solid and solid.
Okay.
So hurry up, children, complete those 5 questions and send me the answer sheet. and then start doing question number 6 to 10. Okay, I've got it from Anup. Anup, what is written after the? I think I've deleted the file.
Oh, I kept answer.
Okay, just read the question number 1, answer number 1, because I'm not able to understand. Sublimation is the process when a
Wanted substance settle down.
after when a unwanted.
Substance
Okay, okay,
settle
okay,
down.
okay, okay. Substances settle down.
Should I continue?
You can carry on with the question number 6. Okay, question number 4, you did not do it.
Yes, ma'am. I finished with the book.
Hand picking is one of the method you can write about.
I wrote handpicking is the method of
No. I'm not talking about the
separation
answer number
when
4,
we
Anup.
separate persons.
Answer number 4, I'm
Ma'am,
talking
but
about.
still I didn't, ma'am, but I didn't understand.
That's what, like, Anup, I'm telling you. What do you in that question? They have given how you can segregate two solid. Okay, when we have a pulses in the from the pulses, what we are doing, we are taking the stone out, right? Now stone we have in one hand, in the pulses we have in the second hand, so both are what, they are the solid only. So by what way we have separated them? By the hand picking method, right? So like this, you need to tell any 3 ways by which you can separate the solid from solids. You can write about the winnowing also, you can write about the hand picking also, threshing also you can write. So these are what? They are the kind of solid with solids only.
And then what about this, ma'am? Like, down the game of paper.
Sorry, Anu, but I'm not
Make
able to
sure
understand like your
make sure
voice is not.
filter and rest is evaporation solid water. No,
Anum, just write in the chat because I think you have network issue, network problem today. Because of that reason, I'm not able to understand a single word actually. And your video is also like it got paused maybe because of network issue. Just write in the chat, or maybe you can just log out and come again. Because I think today only this problem is coming with you. And Anup, everywhere spelling of separates or separation, you have written it wrong. It should be Separation. Okay. SEPA. It should not be E, it should be A. Others also hurry up, children. Send me the answers fast. hurry up, children, hurry up. For 5 questions, you are taking this much of time. And turn on the videos. Rishit, question number 1 is correct. I think initially you also have written, I think, SEPE, right, for separating?
Ma'am, it's same. SCPA. Ma'am, before I wrote it as E, but again I thought it's same.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Question number 4. Correct. Question number 5. Saving. Okay. In question number 5, the process of, right? You have written what? OT, ought.
Ma'am, it's awful, ma'am. Like I didn't keep the curve properly.
Okay. Depending on your size. Fine. Good, Rishit. So you can start doing question number 6 to 10 now. Ridesh, Advika, Lasya, Adrit, Ashwat, send me the answer sheet fast. Yes, I too think, Anu, because I am also not able to understand anything today what you were saying. So if you have any kind of doubt, just do write in the chat so that I can clarify. Because you are saying something, but nothing is reaching to me. Ah.
Teacher, I finished 5 answers.
Great. Ridesh, just send me the picture of it so that I can check it.
Teacher, picture.
Yeah, just picture. Don't make the PDF, just picture is enough.
Teacher, now can you tell?
No, yeah, now itself you can send me the answer sheet.
No, till which question I have to do?
Till 5.
Okay.
And after doing the 5 questions, send me the answer sheet. And then you can start question number 6 to 10. Okay, I've got from Advika. Okay, the process. Okay, Advika, question number 1 is correct. Advika, in question number 2, the spelling of separating is wrong. It should be SEPA. All right. Okay, Advika? Advika, can you hear me, Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Advika, in question number 1 to 4, the answers are fine. But in the question number 2, spelling of separating is wrong. It should be SEPA. Okay. And then in question number 4 also, separation spelling is wrong. Separating spelling is wrong.
Yeah.
And winnowing spelling is also wrong. So it should be WINNOWING. Okay.
ING.
And in the last answer, question number 5, uh, the process of removing powdered substance from a larger substance using filter paper. Filter paper should not be used. It should be by using the sieve. Okay.
Yeah.
That is called as sieving. Coming to Ashwath now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Advika.
Ma'am, for the question number 6, I can't understand that how can we separate
Wait,
petrol
let
and
me
water?
let me open question number 6 first of all. Explain the method by which uh, mixture of a water and petrol can be separated. Okay. With the help of the separating funnel, you can do it. So what do you need to do? You have to take this funnel and yes,
Ma'am, can we use decantation method?
decantation method. You can basically, if you try to use it, it can work, but not as like the the funnel method.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I wrote decantation. Is it fine?
Change it to funnel.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I didn't write about decantation.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, and seventh one I cannot understand, ma'am.
Hmm.
How will you separate a mixture of sand and salt?
Huh. Just let. So in question number 6, basically, what they're asking how you can separate the petrol and the water, right? So what you need to do, you have to mix both petrol and the water in the separating funnel, and then you have to keep it for some time. So as you keep it for some time, what happen? A layer of water will be there, and the layer of petrol will be there on the upper side. So that layer of water, you can just take it down. First of all, you can just remove it, and then the layer of petrol can be separated from it like this. You can separate it. Now coming to the sand and salt, the same thing. What you can do, you have to separate both of them, dissolve them in the water, and filter it. Fine, you have to dissolve the sand and the salt in the water. You have to then filter it. What will happen? Sand is left on the filter paper, right, Rishit?
Yes, ma'am.
When you separate them, the sand will be left in the filter paper as a residue, and the
And salt
you
will
will
be
be
in the water.
getting yes, salt will be there in the water,
And
and then what you
we can
can
do
do?
evaporation.
Very good. Later on, you can do the evaporation. So that is how you will be getting the separation of the salt and the sand. Advika, coming back to you, for separating the petrol with the water, what you need to do, you have to mix them together, and then with the help of the separating funnel, you have to just wait out for some time, maybe for some 10 minutes. You will be able to find that the layer of the water will be down and the layer of the petrol will be at the upper side of it. So what you can do, initially you can just take the water out of that funnel, and whatever left out will be the petrol. So that is how you can separate both of them together. Okay. And in the next question, how you can separate the salt and the sand? For that, what you need to do, you need to take a filter paper. In the filter paper, you have to pass on the mixture of a sand, salt, and the water. So all those three things, sand, salt, and water, you need to mix it, and then through the filter paper you need to pour it. So as soon as you pour that filter, that three things together into that filter, what happened? The sand will get stuck on the filter paper, right?
Yeah.
And the water will come out to the beaker. And when you now boil that water, what happened? The evaporation process will be happening, and through that you will be getting the salt separated. So sand you will be getting on the filter paper, and the salt you will be getting through the water by the process of evaporation. So that is how the seventh answer will be. Ridesh, what you have written in the answer number 3, can you read out for me, please? Ridesh, can you read the answer number 3?
Teacher,
Can you read your answer number 3?
answer three. Teacher, the principle used in separation of mixture depends upon the property of nature and constituent substance present in the mixture.
Okay, fine, correct. Answer number 4, evaporation, sedimentation, and filtration are wrong, because in the question they have said that you need to write the 3 ways for separating the solid and solid, right? Evaporation, in the evaporation, what you will be doing? You will be using the liquid, correct? So you should write about the hand picking, winnowing, threshing. So for all these things, what you will be doing? You will be separating the solid and the solids. Lasya, have you done the question number 1 to 5?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
actually I didn't wrote first question, ma'am. I wrote 2 to 5, ma'am.
Okay, you just send me 2 to 5, and then I'll just send you the answer number for the first one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm sending it.
Anoop, kindly mute yourself.
I sent it.
Anup, you are saying something? Anup, okay, Anup, you are asking about the centrifugation process. So, centrifugation is a process where we will be separating the lighter components from the heavier components. Like you might have seen your mother making the ghee, right? How she makes the ghee? She makes the ghee out of that milai, curd, all those things. She will be separating it. So that is what the centrifugation is. No, if you are saying something again, please write in the chat because I think Advika, you need to mute yourself. I think from your side the voice is coming somewhere. It is coming.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rasya.
I kept, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll just see that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in the first one, Lasya, sedimentation. So in the sedimentation, what will be happening? The heavier components which are insoluble, they will be settling down. Okay. So whatever the heavier component, like if you have the water, and in the water, if you mix the soil, what happened? The soil will come down and settle in the beaker. So that is what the sedimentation is. And after that, what you can do, you can just remove the water from the soil. That process is called as the decantation.
Thank you, ma'am, for explaining.
Uh, then last year in the question number 2, example you should write, right? Example, you can write anything. The pulses, separating the stones from the pulses or from the rice. So any example you can mention there.
I forgot it, ma'am.
Okay, okay. In the answer number 3rd, how what are the basic properties of it? It's about the constituent of the mixture. So how the mixture is made up of. So that is the principal basis of it. Okay.
Ma'am, they're saying to separate now, ma'am. That's why.
Yes, yes, yes. So, like, see, some like if I talk about the fruits, some are big, some are small, right? Grapes are small in size, but mangoes are big. So that is what the constituent, or maybe the size of it, maybe the color of it. So how they are made up of, on the basis of that, we can separate them. Okay, in question number 4. Hand picking. Picking spelling is wrong in the answer number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I'll
correct
correct
it.
it.
Huh. And for the answer number 5, Lasa, I'll send you the proper answer, okay? Because what you have written is fine, but it is not so appropriate. You have understood the concept, but the formation of the answer is not fine, okay? So I'll send you the answer. You just go through that and then,
Second point now, ma'am. Second
yeah,
point.
yeah.
Second point. Okay, ma'am. Okay, then.
It's okay. I have shared you the answer number 3, 4, 5 so that you can just go through it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, till 10 we have to write. I have to write now.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Anup, you have written the wrong answers actually. Coming to the question number 5, not this side one, the other side one are the question number short answer type question. You have done the long answer type questions. Understood, Anup? Okay. So keep in mind, children, because when we talk about the books, this should be like first paragraph will be here, then the next side will be here. And if the next side does not have the space, they continue this side and then this side. So always keep in mind this, 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 this.
Will be different.
Okay, it will not be like
No,
this
actually,
anywhere. Anup, you should write in the chat because I'm not able to understand today.
actually in our book, it will be different.
Notebook is like somewhere we are writing, so that is why it can be actually. But in the books and all, it is.
Not notebook in our textbook, it will
Anup, write in the chat because some of the words I am not able to understand. Ashwin, you're counting something?
The well.
Okay. So, children, you all need to complete in our. Okay. In the textbook also it is same, Anup. Always it will be same. Paragraph here, the continuation of this side will be on this side. And the continuation of this side will be next page this side. Everywhere it is the same. Okay, children, everybody needs to complete now till question number 10. Send me the answer. And then very short answer type questions will be the homework for today. All right. You all must have to. Yeah, Advika, tell me.
Ma'am, once can you explain the 8th question?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, just give me a 1 minute, Rishit. Let me explain the question number 8. What happens when curd is churned at high speed? Right? So, when we are churning the curd to a high speed, what happens? Centrifugation will be there, right? The butter, the ghee will be getting. You might have seen Advika, your mother, right? What she will be doing? She will be churning the curd. So that milai, she will be churning it with the help of the hand blender or the mixer and all. So after some time, the ghee will be segregated and the remaining water will be segregated. So what we will be getting? We will be getting the liquid and the ghee out of it.
Okay.
So that is what the centrifugation is. Yeah, Rishit, now you can tell me. You can carry on.
Ma'am, I cannot do the homework today because I have some work in the from the school, ma'am. Like I need
Okay,
to do
I
some
thought.
projects.
Okay, I thought you need to eat the rice. That's why.
Uh,
Okay, children. Everybody except Rishit has to send me the homework. So do it and send me. Okay.
Ma'am, how is your cold, ma'am?
Okay, Oli.
Ma'am, what company it is? Rice
What
company.
company? What kind of company?
Like the rice pack has name on it.
He does not have any name actually.
Will it whole plant? Whole plant?
No idea what he is eating. He's not eating. I just know that he is eating everything raw.
Ma'am, not packed one.
No, maybe unpacked ones.
In fields, they spread rice on sacks, everything.
Maybe that only he is eating.
Yes.
He is also eating like the birds. Like the right, Rishit? Okay, fine, children. Then we'll all meet next week again. Make sure that you complete your homework and send me the homework for the correction. All right? Okay, children. Then bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
I also can't do it.
Why, Anu?
Mom, because like I have like under book stories.
Okay, fine. Okay, bye-bye.